Hey all, I'm back with a haul video. Again, I'm doing a wear test. And so when I'm doing a wear test, I don't know why. I just want to go shopping for some reason, get out and about. And I really don't want to spend any money. I'm on a budget. But anywho, I just went to Michael's today. Well, Michael's just tore my budget up, okay? Just out the window it went. I even dipped a little bit in my savings. It was crazy. So I want to do a, let me put some lip, I just ate, so let me put some, my lips back on real quick. Because I'm going to do a check-in. Just really quickly. Okay, got lips on now. Okay. So I went to Michael's and I have a couple of decorating ideas, clean with me videos I want to do. And one of them is my dining room. So I've been thinking of these ideas. I have something I've had for a few weeks that I want to do a DIY on, which I'll probably do at some point in this week. I have a lot of ideas, a lot of video ideas that I definitely want to do for you guys. So let's just jump right into this haul. So I went to Michael's because I have this vase in my dining room, and it's been the same for, I'd say about 15 years. And I wanted to update it, and since it's spring, I wanted to add a little something fresh to it. So you see how long the stems are. I only bought 2 because I'm going to kind of spread them out a little bit. And I can't remember where I saw it. It was cherry blossoms, and so this kind of put me in the mind of cherry blossoms. It may be, and I know that Pier 1 has them, but I'm sure Pier 1 would have been higher than Michael's. Michael's, they were on sale. I'm gonna see if I can find a receipt, but they were on sale, I think, for 40% off. So all of their like spring flowers are 40% off. I try not to get too heavy into fake foliage and flowers. I know some of it is outdated, but some of it can be very modern, you know, just with the right twist. I had picked up some greenery as well, but I put that back, really these big green leaves to make it look more realistic, but they weren't on sale. And I could have used a coupon, but I knew I was working with a very limited budget. So also, oh, one of my flowers came off. I'm going to figure out where that goes and put it back. Also, I got these picks. These picks were on sale. These Easter picks for $1.22. So I already had some. I have them in that vase back there. So I have one of these and I caught them on sale. So I only had gotten one. So I'm deciding if I'm going to add it to that or if I'm going to put it in this other project that I have going on. And then my guilty pleasure. Hold on, I have another pick. I actually have 2 more. So I got some more, and again, they were like $1.22. They're regularly $2, and I think they all were 40% off. Oh, this one then got a little twisted up. So yeah, so I think I may add them to my dining room table. And then I purchased these little green balls, and I don't think these were on sale, but they are regularly, let's see. There's no price on them. Let me see if I can find a receipt, because I broke it up to use my card. Oh, the long little cherry blossom looking things, they were $6, and I got them for $3.60. Yeah, the egg pick things were $1.20, and because I had 2 different ring ups. So let's see. These moss balls were $8.49. I don't know. You know, maybe I'm just cheap, but I thought that was a little expensive. And I could do them myself, but it would cost me the same amount of money to do them myself, if not more. So I just went ahead and bought them because I'm going to use them like a vase filler and kind of, I don't know, I have something in my head to decorate it with for Easter. Also at Michael's, so you all know, well, You might know, I haven't told you. But I'm making, I mean, if you see this video before the other one, I'm making leather earrings, and I'm doing a wear test with the leather earrings as well to see how they hold up. You know, before I like put them in my store, I want to see how they hold up, how they wear, you know, just all of that good stuff. So I noticed last night, I wear them pretty much all day. Unless I take a nap, I'll take them off. So I had them on last night, and I looked up and one was on the floor. And I was like, wait a minute, how did it get on the floor? So I bought some earring backs. And it's 170. So I got those from Michael's. And let me see if I got a price on those. They were $3.19. So I had to get those because I figured, you know, definitely put a back in there. So what else do we have? And I got a 50% off coupon, any one regularly priced item. Wish I knew that. Well, I'm going to go back and get something else. So, as you all know, I'm into planning, all that good stuff, and I have another whole channel for that. I don't know if I have that channel listed below in the description box, but I will definitely put that channel in the description box. So in case you want to go and follow, if I never put it there because I am a little absent-minded, it is Norris Cove on YouTube. So I got this planner book, the Happy Planner, the sticker book, and I use this to do my planning. So this is like color story, and I'll just do a quick flip through of what's in there. And they have nice quotes and things, and I kind of like this one because I didn't have this one, so I always try to get ones that I don't have. Let's see. Then also, I started like stamping into my planners, but I kind of fell off a little bit. Make sure I don't have another coupon. And I do. So, anyhow, so someone told me to try the VersaFine ink. And then when I showed it to her, she was like, oh, you should have got the stands on. So now I'm like, okay, I got this VersaFine, and I don't think it was, I did get 50% off of that. So I got that for, let me see. This battery don't last worth a darn. Hold on. I think I got it for $6. Yeah, I got it for $6. And then I bought this stamping kit here. I really wanted the camera and the bike. I like those too. So I'm going to use everything in that and use it with the ink. So that completes my haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's just kind of random, you know, haul. But I just wanted to show you guys what I purchased while I was out on this wear test. So this video will probably be up before the wear test, only because it's short, simple, and quick, and doesn't take a lot of editing. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget, if you're new to my channel and you want to keep up on the content that I am creating, just please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I upload a video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!